We will go hiking this weekend.
That is great, Dad.
Be sure to carefully pack all necessary items for this climbing trip.
Yes! Wow, the weather is perfect today.
The mountain is big. Please stay near me. Keep up, we're almost there.
Coming, Dad.
Whoa, look at that.
Where's it going? Gotta catch it. Follow that squirrel. Dad, where are you? Dad! Anna! Is anyone there? What is that? Is it a monster? Oh no! Takes my bag! Please do not go! Where is the monkey? I cannot run faster than it. I am so thirsty. My water bottle is in that bag. Wait! I hear water. I must find it. Water. I am very thirsty. I want to drink now. But Dad said, do not drink dirty water in the forest. I will be sick.
What a beautiful view. Hurry up, Bill. Oh, Bill, where are you?
He's not here.
Do you see Bill?
No, I don't. We must find him. Bill, can you hear me?
Bill, where are you? Bill, where are you? Bill, where are you?
Bill! Where are you? Wait for me a second, Dad. Oh no, Dad! Where are you? Wait, I hear a sound. It is like a small river. Wow, this water is cold and good. I feel strong now.
There you are. You are on the other side with my bag. Please give it back to me.
Dad! Bill, where are you? Where are you? Can anyone hear me? Bill, it is me. I am here.
I am very happy. I find you now. Are you okay, Bill?
Hurry up! We must find Father now! Stop, Bill! Dad told us, rule number 1 is stay in one place. Do not run. That is right, Bill. So we should stay here and wait for Dad. Rule number 2 is make a loud sound.
But how can we make a loud noise?
We can use 2 stones to hit together to make a noise.
Oh, whoa! Where is Anna? Anna! Are you there?
Anna, can we eat this fruit? Oh no, Bill. Dad said we must not eat strange fruit.
It looks yummy.
But we do not know if it is poisonous. So to be safe, we should not eat it, Bill.
I am very hungry.
Do not worry. I have some food for you. raining. It's so windy. Do you think it's gonna rain?
I think we should find somewhere to get out of the rain. But there's nowhere to go.
Look at that big tree. We can stay there to be dry.
Yes, but I'm still freezing. Wait for me. Dry leaves are like a warm blanket. They help our bodies stay warm. Great idea.
I am very scared, Anna.
Please be quiet, Bill.
It is just a small deer.
Bill! Anna! Where are you now? Is everything okay with you both? I need to find them quickly because it's getting dark fast. I am so tired. I need to call rescue for help.
There is no signal here. What can I do? I must find a signal.
Please help. My children are lost in the mountain. Please come fast. We are here to help. Are you okay?
Please save my children. Bill and Anna are lost in the dark forest.
Good dog. Please find the smell of Bill and Anna.
The dog finds a sign. Follow the dog. Look at the ground.
Look, this is the bag of Bill. They are very near. Bill, Anna. Bill, Anna! Anna, Bill!
It's just a deer.
It wants us to follow. There you are.
Are you both okay?
Yes.
I am very happy. You are safe.
Well done, kids. You did the right thing by using dry leaves to stay warm and staying in one place until we arrived.
Thank you for helping my dad find us. I am sorry, Dad. I got lost and made you worry.
It is okay, my son. The important thing is you are safe. This trip is not only for fun. Nature is very big and powerful.
But knowledge and calm minds help us.
And love will help our family pass every challenge.
That's our family story. Thank you for watching. Follow our channel for more interesting videos ahead.